Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download and install Twitter. So Twitter is an open social network that helps people to converse with each other in short messages known as tweets. Whether it's about sharing breaking news or posting updates about their company or following their favorite celebrities, people are using Twitter to connect with each other and to discover new things every day. So why not you? So get ready to enter into the world of Twitter. So before that, we need to learn how to install it. To learn how, keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now to install Twitter application, tap on Play Store on your Android device. Now type Twitter onto the search box. Now tap on the green button of install on the top right corner. Now the process has begun and you just wait for it to get installed. So the Twitter has been installed. Now all you have to do is tap on open and use the Twitter as per you like. So this is how you can easily install Twitter application. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.